Hey, so this is the 7-Eleven vending machine. Can you see that? We have a whole variety of things. We have Lay's chips, some Korean food or something. I can't read all of that. Some hot dogs, some bologna. Got some Pocky strawberry flavor, some croissant, some mama pudding, some coffee, cold coffee Pringles, orange juice, yogurt, Pepsi, some milk tea. Actually, I think I'm gonna get that milk tea with the bubbles. Now, here's the problem I'm having right now is because this screen right here, it's a touch screen. I'm not into it because I can't make it move. So let's try it. See this? My finger is not registering. They do not care about my finger. I'm going to have to call 7-Eleven and complain about this. This is not working. Look, I cannot make it do anything. Anyway, you can pay for it the regular way with bills or coins. But also, they have this neat little scanner right here. This scanner, you can pay with an app on your phone from your bank. And just take your phone and just wave the bar scan in front of it. And then you can pay for your stuff. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to order anything because my fingers don't work. Apparently. Okay, let's try it again. Oh my God. It doesn't even want this. Order. I want the milk tea. Ugh.